Man, 818s.
And it's pretty musical too. You can hear everything.
Wow.
Really?
Yeah. Oh man. So this, I mean, this one is like small enclosure with DB4s in it. Yeah. It's tuned really, really high. Yeah. So this one they can play. I mean, the band room is wide. I mean, like they can play 14, all this wide. So this
Can I get you in for an intro?
yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
Man,
6.5.
your doors are heavy.
Yeah, they are. It's they're 3-inch coils on the doors.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Is this, so who built this?
So Daniel Powell from JacobViral Audio.
Okay.
He built this. Took him about 2.5 months to build it.
Yes, sir. Wow. This is nice.
Appreciate it, man.
Are you happy with it?
I'm completely happy with it.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Ooh.
Completely happy.
All right, so what's your name and the equipment? Go ahead, man.
All right. So I'm formerly known as the Bass God on YouTube, Ramondo.
Okay.
As far as my equipment, I run 8 SP4 Plus 18s on 4 powers, 15Ks, running at 1 ohm. As far as batteries, I run 3 limitless lithium G50s. I run 3 JS 370s, and I run Sky High Core Audio. On the doors, I have a Powers 3500 on each door at 2 ohms, and I run a Crescendo Symphony S2 on my tweeters. Yep.
Awesome. Do you know the tunings and the peak?
Yeah, so this build is kind of more geared towards musical. So my that was the
Yeah.
So the rear tune is 22 hertz. That's what the rear tune is at, 22. This front cabin is basically acts like a port itself since it's a 6.5. So it ranges from 14 all the way up to 65.
Okay.
So it's pretty wide.
Impressive.
So it can play pretty wide.
Okay.
So I can give you the lows. I can give you the high. I'll give you the lows.
Yeah, lows are more fun usually. Don't blow nothing. A lot of people are blowing stuff today.
Yeah, I've been demoing since 9. I haven't blown not one thing yet.
As long as you know your limit.
Yep.
And your name again?
Bass God.
Bass God.
Yeah,
All
Bass
right.
God or
Bass God.
Or the Bass God 773.
You used to have 5 SP4 15s in a 4th, right?
Yeah. I think you talked before.
You had 8. You had 4 on each side. You mounted them regular and then inverted and gained.
Yep.
I remember.
Yep.
I've seen your build. I watch a lot of YouTube.
Yep.
I do YouTube, but watch it.
Very smart. So I'm gonna play 18.
Okay.
18 to 31 hertz.
So you have that window up, this one down, right?
Yep.
All right. Tone control.
And like I said, it's gonna be on my Instagram too, so you know how I am.
Yep. Yes, sir. Subwoofers, are they broken in?
Oh yeah, they pretty broken in. Yeah, they play pretty damn strong. I have to keep my window up so it don't mess up.
Man, 818s.
And it's pretty musical too. You can hear everything.
Really?
En la noche como el loco es demasiado bacano, la tiro cancha y como quiera vale, yo no sé qué terminarlo, pero vale, yo sé que se me queda la cuando mi mente eso rock millonariamente no le den mente, yo soy el mejor lamentablemente.
appreciate that, man.
Appreciate it, man.
That's awesome. And it doesn't really move. The flex is solid.
Nah,
Solid build.
Everything is pretty solid.
Yes, sir.
I mean, and I can let you hear that sound with both of them doors down on regular music.
Okay, sure.
That's a clean Wendy.
Yeah. Woo.
Yep, I would know. Again, whole ass little nigga can't stand. I can't handle. Go, little nigga. Yeah. Now shot when he was hitting at the free throw. Yeah, I bought a castle. iPad. Nigga bring the trip. That's bad. Go. Just come down.
Woo. That thing's got really good bandwidth. That's impressive, man.
It's a
Demo monster. Thank you very much.
Appreciate it,
Nice to
man.
meet you. Really clean build.
No problem. Thanks,
Wow. Face God. And the doors are heavy. So here we go. Woo.
En la noche, grande, con el loco de no la tiro cancha y como quiera vale, yo no sé el reloj, pero vale, yo sé a la cuando mi mente es un millonario de repente trabajando legal me busco más que el presidente. No le demente, yo soy el mejor, lamentablemente. De esos foques me tiran balas locas y de balas yo tengo un lote. Que ya no es lava, con mi lago. Whole ass little nigga can't stand. And go, be little nigga. Yeah, let's go. Baby just landed on a G4, a G, and y'all ain't even seen a nigga turn yet. My favorite song here. I shot when he was hitting at the free throw. Yeah, I bought a castle. iPad. Nigga bring the trip. That's bad. Go. Just coming down. You really get money, put your mans on. Woo. Stand on what I stand on. Un millonario de repente trabajando legal me busco más que el presidente. No le demente, yo soy el mejor, lamentablemente. De esos foques me tiran balas locas y de balas yo tengo un lote.
So it ranges from 14 on. dub bass guy, 773.
You used to have 5 SP4 15s up there.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.